Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of January. And first of all, national news. Deloitte failed to see massive $470 million scam by Nigerian firm. Two deputies from BJP, six ministers took oath. Nitish Kumar's new Bihar team. Judiciary need to begin difficult conversations, Chief Justice of India said. India's united opposition faced major setback before polls, foreign media. Supreme Court turned 75. Chief Justice explained what near future holds. Empowered judicial system part of Viksit Bharat. PM as Supreme Court turned 75. Now some international news. US, Israel, Egypt, Qatar officials in Gaza talked in Paris. Sources. Any UN workers involved in terror acts will be punished. UN chief vote. UK Museum awarded 2 lakh pound grant to mark legacy of Sikh Empire's last ruler. Revolutionary changes taking place in India. US relation outgoing envoy. Now some sports news. ICC lifted ban imposed on Sri Lanka cricket with immediate effect. India lost to England in the first test match in Hyderabad. Jannik Sinner bounced back to beat Daniil Medvedev in Australian Open final. Now business related news. Foreign investors sold equities worth Rs 24,734 crore in January. Steel trade deficit widened to 8,888 crore, highest in recent years. Center Industry Global Exports to discuss trade regime of sensitive goods tech on January 30. US blocked fresh proposal to restart dispute settlement mechanism at WTO. Government working on says reform, Commerce Secretary Barthwal. Science related news. NASA's Hubble telescope detected water vapor in small exoplanet's atmosphere. ISS unveiled mesmerizing view of Earth's glowing atmosphere 258 miles above Pacific Ocean. And that's all in news. Thank you.